What's going on, guys? Patrick here from PatrickOnlineRealty.com. We are here at the lineup at Wai Kai. I just signed up to go surf this thing. I've been surfing since I was 8, but this is a whole entire different beast. I've heard a lot of people say it's really hard. I don't really like doing stuff I'm not good at, so we'll see how it goes. But a little nervous, so having a beer to kind of make myself a little bit more confident. So we'll see how it goes. Cheers. Okay guys, so I just got out of the water over at the lineup at Wai Kai. Super cool experience. Definitely humbling. I mean, I've been surfing since I was 8 years old, and it's nothing like surfing. It looks like surfing, but it's nothing like surfing. So if you're trying to compare the two, there's a couple of different things you can look at. Number one, I'd say it's almost closer to snowboarding than it is like surfing. The prices, I mean, it ain't cheap. On different days, you have specials. It can be anywhere from 30 to 150 bucks, depending whether you're a local, because they have local rates, or if you're coming as a tourist or from the mainland. And then if you're comparing it to actual surfing, other than it being a little bit more difficult, surfing itself is obviously free. So that's always a nice touch. This you gotta pay for, but it is an experience. You can also enjoy with your friends where you're out in the water or you guys are sharing waves and maybe your friends are also drinking a beer, hooting you on. So it's definitely something I'm gonna come back to because it's a really cool experience. So if you're in Oahu, if you live in Everett, Kapolei, it's a cool spot to check out. So I would definitely highly recommend it. Just know it ain't easy, but it gets easier the more you do it. So anyways, I'm gonna have a beer and watch some of these local guys rip it up. You guys have a good one. I'll talk to you soon. Aloha.